Hey everybody, this is Melissa. Welcome to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial, and today I'm in Photoshop and I'm going to show you how to rearrange and customize your toolbar. So when you first install Photoshop, it comes with a default set of tools, the way that they're arranged, the way that they're organized, and I'm going to show you how to change that today. So we want to go to Edit and down to Toolbar. And when you come in here, you see a box that says Customize Toolbar. And you have individual tools listed here, but then you also have groups. If I go to the top corner of one of these and it highlights the entire thing, that is a group, to where like the Move tool is a tool by itself. So what we can do here is this tells us the order that these are going to appear in the group. Like this is the rectangular marquee tool set. And the first one that's going to show is that. Let's say that I use the elliptical marquee tool more than the rectangular. If I click on that and I drag it and I drop it and I tell it done, and then I go over here, as you can see, the elliptical marquee tool is now above the rectangular. So I'm going to go put that back, because I actually use the rectangular more than the elliptical. So I'm going to grab it and drag it, drop it, tell it done. And then as you can see, it's put them back to where the rectangular is above the marquee tool. So that's one thing that you can do in there to customize your toolbar. Some of the other things that you can do is say that you use the Lasso Tools more than you use the rectangular marquee tools. So if we go to one of the corners where it'll highlight the entire box, we can grab it and pull it up, drop it, and if you notice, these two reversed. This Lasso tool was down here and now it's up here. So I'm like, oh, I really didn't want to do that because I use my rectangular tool more than I use anything. So I'm going to grab it, I'm going to drop it back, and it puts them back. So one of the other things that you can do is you have this extra tools over here. And where that is you'll see at the bottom of your toolbar, you will see 3 dots, and if you click on it, that is everything that is in your extra tools. And all that really means is it's not ones that you use very often. You still want access to them, but you don't want them to be here. So to do that, let's go to Edit and Toolbar. So the clone stamp tool I do use, and it's in my extra tools. So I'm going to grab it and I'm going to drop it right below my brush tool. And then if you see, it moved it back into the toolbar where I put it. If I take it out and say, you know, I really don't use it that much, and I drop it over here, if we hit done, you'll see it moved it from here and put it down here with the extra tools. But I'm going to go back and put my clone stamp back. And it was below the brush tool. So that's where I'm going to drop it back. So this is things that you can do. You can, like I said, you can move tools. Like say I want rectangular above that, it just switch those tools. But I use the Move tool probably more than I use anything in Photoshop. So that's the different things that you can do within your toolbar. You can restore the default. You can save this as a preset. You can load a preset, or you can just keep it like it is and do whatever to rearrange your tools. So that is a tutorial on how to rearrange and customize your toolbar in Photoshop. If you like the contents of this video, please be sure to like it. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another tutorial tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching.